Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe. Since mangoes are available abundantly in market right now, we'll be seeing how to prepare aam papad in this video. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 ripe mango, 1/3 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the mangoes with the help of a peeler. Next, chop them roughly into medium-sized cubes. Please note, here I have taken 2 different varieties of mango. One is ripe and extremely sweet, and other is little sour. Transfer the chopped mangoes into a mixer and grind this into a fine puree. Make sure not to add any water while doing this. After grinding, I have measured the mango puree. It comes exactly 3 cups. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add the mango puree. And now allow this to boil. Once the mixture starts boiling, add 1/3 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt into this. To make sure it's uniformly cooked, lower the flame to low to medium and keep stirring this continuously throughout the cooking process. If there are any big chunks of mango pieces in your puree, make sure to break them with the help of your spatula. After about 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, to check if our aam papad is done, take a plate and into that add half teaspoon of the prepared mixture. Now hold the plate vertical, and if the puree is little flowy in consistency, this requires more cooking. Cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. In the meantime, take a plate or a container and into that add 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee and spread this uniformly. Now our aam papad puree is ready. We can see how thick and well cooked it is. The color is also changed into a little darker shade. We are going to add half teaspoon into a plate, and this is the exact consistency which we require. Transfer the aam papad puree into a plate or container which we had previously greased. Now spread this uniformly with the help of a spoon or a spatula. While spreading the puree on the plate, make sure it is not too thin and it is of medium thickness, since once sun dried, it will shrink a little bit more. Once you have spread the aam papad uniformly, sprinkle some pepper powder on top of it. This is to add spice to your aam papad, and this is completely optional. Now allow your aam papad to sun dry for 2 to 3 days. While sun drying, make sure to cover the plate or the container with a cotton or muslin cloth to help protect from insects or dust. Now touch the aam papad. If it is hard and not sticky, then it is done. Now loosen the edges with the help of a knife. Now slowly remove this from the plate. Now our delicious aam papad is ready. You can cut this into any desired shape. Here I have cut it into rectangular shape and rolled it tightly. So do try this recipe during this mango season and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.